Hello everyone. My name is Priyashwar. I work as a senior software developer with CloudFront's Technologies in Mumbai. Today, I'm going to be presenting this webinar on the topic Dynamics 365 Portals. So, this webinar will be an introductory one. It will introduce you to what Portals is with CRM. Previously, this was owned by ADX. This previously ADX Studios was a separate entity. Today, Microsoft has acquired the same, and they are also providing Portals with the Dynamics CRM. So let's take a look at what we have. So this is the agenda for today. We're going to take a look at what Dynamics 365 portals are. Then we're also going to see how we can set up Dynamics 365 portals from our Office 365. Then we're going to take a look at basic 4 types of portals. You can configure either one of them with one of the instances. Then finally, we're also going to take a look at sample user access and logging using contacts in Dynamics 365. So let's begin. So as I just mentioned at the start, ADX Studio was a separate company. It's been acquired by Microsoft, and now all the portals are coming online. So today you have one portal add-on is provided with your Dynamics 365 subscription. For example, you have CRM Online. With that, you get one portal add-on, means you can configure one portal for free. If you want to purchase more portals, you have to purchase it separately. So one portal is provided. You can start using the trial as well. So for instance, if you have a Dynamics 365 trial already, what you can do is you can just go in your Dynamics 365 admin center and you can configure your portal and also test it out. So this portals is completely customized from within Dynamics 365, meaning that when you have set up your portal, you have provisioned it, and all that you want to change in your Dynamics 365 portals, you can simply go into your Dynamics 365, or formerly known as CRM, and you can configure the pages, web templates, page templates, etc. Finally, there are portal users. So who are these portal users is a nice question here. Portal users are contacts which sit inside Dynamics 365. So we're also going to take a look at that in the last part. So yes, let's take a look at the setup of Dynamics 365 portals. I already have 4 portals in place, but for the sake of showing you, let me just go to my Dynamics 365 admin center. So this is a fresh trial of my Dynamics 365. What I've done here is I go to my admin center, then I go to Dynamics 365. There. So this is my trial instance here. It's of type production. What I simply need to do is I can just go to applications, and I do get a portal add-on here. So I can simply click on manage. So this will give me a simple form where I can configure my portals. So let me take a sample webinar portal. So I'll just put some lengthy name so that it allows sample webinar portal. So just for the sake of availability, this will be my URL. I can use this and access my portal once it is provisioned. So it will ask me to select which Dynamics 365 instance I want to install my portal on. This is the one that I have created. So I'll just select this. Further, it will load more fields for me to fill in. Okay, the portal language is English. Alright, so I do get what kind of audience am I targeting who will be using this portal. So basically 3 options, partner, customer, or employee. So actually, basically, these are the three different types of portals, which we will come to at a later stage. So for now, I will just keep it as customer because what I will provision for you now is a customer self-service portal. So let me keep my portal audience as customer, meaning people outside my organizations who are my customers basically will be the target audience for the portal. So next it asks me select portal to be deployed. I say, okay, I want to deploy a customer self-service portal. For example, I'm running a shoe company and I have a lot of customers. So I'm going to put up something for them on my, for my portals. So if suppose I am opening a scheme where they can submit their cases and I can do some free servicing for their shoes or all the footwears for their family. So what I'll do is they can just they can just visit my portal and they can log in different cases and I will assign them to my support staff when they can take a look at it easily. So these are the different types of portals, but we will be looking at them in the types of portal section. So I will just deploy a customer self-service portal and submit. And I accept. It will take a while. So usually once you submit the request to provision a portal, it takes about a few hours for your portal to provision, because in the backend what happens is it installs a managed solution into your Dynamics 365 and configures everything for you, makes the portal accessible for you. So it takes a few hours until you can finally begin to access your portal. So it brought me to this sign-in page. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to click the same CRM credentials which I was logged in. Oh, my page has frozen. Okay, so once I click sign in, it will ask me to accept it. So there's a few information here you need. You can go through it. Once you do it for yourself, then I have to just click accept. Now what happens behind the scenes is that provisioning of portal takes place. So it says that your request has been submitted. This request might take a few hours to finish, so please check back after some time. So you can check back after 4 to 5 hours. I'm pretty sure by then your portal will definitely be ready. So I'm not going to use this environment again because this is just for the purpose of provisioning a portal. I already have a portal separately. So that was how you can set up a Dynamics 365 portal. You can start off, once you go out from this webinar, you can just sign up for your Dynamics 365 trial and you can add a portal add-on as well. And then you can try the portal for yourself. So moving on. So now there are different types of portals. So basically I'm highlighting in this session today are the 4 types of portals, which is a custom portal. It means that this portal comes with very few predefined page templates and web templates, and it gives you a starting point where you can start building your portal right from scratch. Next is customer self-service portal. This is the most popular portal we can say, because usually the people who use CRM tend to have a lot of cases registered with them as a part of their service offering. So this is a provision where people can actually come in, register their cases, get knowledge, and it actually saves a lot of your support support finances. Next is the partner portal. So if you're working with multiple partners, this is a very helpful portal where you share some of your Dynamics 365 data with your partners so that they can work on it and help both of your business grow together. Next is the community portal. If your enterprise is more into building of ideas, having blogs, a lot of material that can influence, then community portal is the right one to choose from. So let's take a look at it, all of them one by one. Next, I'm gonna jump to custom portal. So custom portal, as I mentioned, it comes with a very less predefined set of options to give you. So it gives you a blank portal where it gives you a login page and the rest of the menu items where you can start from. And so if suppose you don't want either of the predefined portals, you can start off with a custom portal. So you build every page, bind it with every other entity behind in CRM, and so on and so forth. The login information or the login methodology for all the portals is common, that is through contacts, which is obviously the last part of our session. So next is customize the portal from scratch to serve your tailored requirements. So that's what it does. I don't have a portal, custom portal open here, but what I can show you is a customer self-service portal already. So this is a customer self-service portal, not a custom portal. In your custom portal, you won't get all of this information. You'll just get a home button. You'll get your login information. I'll just sign this out. So it will have a limited set of pages from the beginning, and then you can create each and every page of your own behind the scenes and take it from there. So I'll minimize this for now. So that was the custom portal. Next is the customer self-service portal. So this is most widely used portal. The purpose of this portal is that customers can help themselves by creating support tickets. Like let's say, for example, if you are a technical services company and you have provided a lot of software to your clients, and in case they happen to find any bugs or they happen to come across any issue, and now since you have already given them your portal URL, they can come down to that portal, sign in using their own uh, username and password, which is a contact inside your CRM. And once they log in, they can go to support tickets and take a look at all the open tickets they have for you in the system. They can create new tickets, follow up on each of the open tickets, so on and so forth. So this is very helpful. This saves actually the effort of clients directly communicating with your engineers or the support staff. So the support staff can actually just monitor all the queues where all the cases are coming in from and just take it from there. So yeah, this offers a great service experience for your customers, so that your customers are also not hassled that let me communicate to whom I will write an email, attach certain screenshots and send them an email, which is a lengthy process. So why not I should just go into a portal, take a look at all my open cases at one place. Maybe I have to submit a new case, or maybe I can even take follow-ups on the existing case. So that is one purpose, which is an important one. Next is knowledge base article. If suppose clients are searching for some issue that also occurred in the past, and your support person has suggested something, but then you're not able to recollect, or you're not able to find that email from the past. So once as you are as a technical service provider, once you happen to resolve more issues which are encountered in common scenarios, they can create knowledge base articles and put it up on the portals. So whenever you as a customer try to log into the portal and search for knowledge base that I was trying to encounter an issue with my system now. So if you just search by a keyword, you can find that, okay, so this is already a knowledge base articles and they have given some standard steps of what to do. Finally, you can also have some discussion forums that can be started. So I'll just show you the customer self-service portal, which was already in place. So this is the basic first customer self-service portal, which has not been touched or nothing has been modified. So this is the layout and the background and everything of the portal. I already have a user. I'll just sign in with the user. The username is pvag. I put my password in and I sign in. So the sign in is actually, or what I say here, PW, is already a contact inside my Dynamics 365, and I have my own login access. So if I go to my support, it will show me the support tickets I opened with Contoso Limited and what are the status on each of them. So let's say, okay, I have this particular case open. I can click here and go into that case and see what's the progress. Okay, so this is the case. I had registered a case where it says system down issue, please look into it. Okay, I haven't mentioned anything else. So I'll just enter a comment. The system gets backed up, but then admin fails to do at most times. Okay, so I have added another observation as a comment. So, even this can go to the support person, and the support person also has a history that, okay, these were certain comments on this case. So I can at least have some other point to start with. So you can keep track of your cases here. You can update a case if you have changed anything from, like, if you have changed the case type to from a problem to a question, you can update that. If it has already resolved for you, you can just click here and close the case so that no one else is bothered again. Or you can cancel this in case you have put some wrong case. So I just go to support. So these were the cases for you. You get a list of all your open cases with this. You can change view. You can see your closed cases if there are any, or you can see all your cases at once. Also, I had mentioned something about knowledge base. So this is this bar which comes out of the box because I have not changed anything in this. It is giving you right here. If I try to search something regarding system, just to recollect that I might have something already, and let's see if my service providers already have a knowledge base article. So I say, okay, there are a lot of articles here. This one is from the knowledge base, and it's says system servicing. So let me just take a look at this knowledge article. So instead of opening a case, let me see if there's an issue with my system servicing. Let's see this knowledge article and what does it have. Maybe they have something for me regarding how often I should be servicing. So this is a knowledge article published by my service providers. They're saying that, okay, if I have passed more than 8 months without getting my system serviced, I should do it within 2 weeks. So I have this knowledge articles. I followed this and I found this really helpful. So I won't open a case for me. So this is also, passing on knowledge to your customers so that, there's also another layer of information that you have already passed on to your customers, which is relevant to them. Then there are certain things like forums, like you've already started certain discussions within your clients. Now you can customize this portal for several users who belong to a same company. Like if you, or as we as a cloud friends, we have some service providers and our customers, 5 people are from the same company. So we can customize so that this person, all the space, even the support tickets and the forums, they can be seen only for those people. So if I just go to general discussion, I will see discussion topics of whatever is being going on in general. So let's take a look at this thread. Okay, system maintenance tips. So actually this thread also came up when I typed in system keyword in the search bar which I had shown you. So someone has posted that, okay, I wanted a few tips for my fellow users about maintenance, and then someone named Priyesh Wag just posted that, okay, this article should be helpful for you. Maybe you can just click here and see if it helps you. So basically, these are the basic features offered in the customer self-service portal. Most of these features are also provided in other portals as well. So it's not just limited to customer self-service portal. Forums are also available in community portal and partner portal as well. Even knowledge bases are available on that in that instance. So that was a brief look at what a customer service self-service portal do. So apart from that, other portals are a variation of the same. Next up is a partner portal. So this is also an important portal. Like, for example, you already have your partners working with you, which is a separate company again, and you need to make some of your data accessible to them so that they can work on it and both of you can grow your business together. So let me see if I have a partner portal open as well. Not this one. Okay. Yeah. So this is my partner portal. So out of the box, it gives you a few features. Like first, it will give you certain steps that you want to start a partner program with. So it will give you this menu. The home is the same as it was shown in the customer self-service portal. So if you click on partner program, it will show you that, hey, what are my program details? So it will tell you all the program details, how you can get started with it. So there's all these are certain basic 3 steps Program details, become a partner, and frequently asked questions before you become a partner. So you just have to follow all of these. Okay, I have read them. So let me become a partner. And there are certain predefined steps that are given here. So like once you can go and start your own trial, you can try it out for yourself. So the basic purpose of partner portal is that if you want to pass on some of your accounts to your partner so that they can work on it, maybe they have something to modify in it, they can do so with account management. If you want to distribute certain leads, like if your partner is located in a different geographical region entirely, so you don't want to keep those leads to yourself, maybe you can pass it on to your partner using this partner portal. So there's a lot of, so you can configure all of those things in Dynamics 365 as well. Next is field service and project service portals. So this partner portal is actually a very lengthy version of portals. If you have field service and project service also set up, so you can specifically provision partner portals for a field service partner portal or a project service partner portal. So that was the partner portal. Next is the community portal. So community portal is actually a portal that helps people influence others in case of ideas. Like if you have a certain idea and you want to put forward, you can have ideas, you can post it on your portal and let's see if people vote for them. This is one feature. Then you can actually start building your community where there are a lot of users who post different blogs on it. They post different articles on it for others to read, get comments on it, get feedback on it. Try to formulate some idea or try to bring up something that can change the way everyone does business. So that's the basic feature of community portal. It's quite self-explanatory. Community portal means you want to grow your community related to your industry. You can use this portal. Then you have polls and ratings as well. So you can start a poll like you have on your social media. You start some conversation and then have people vote on those polls, and then you can even provide certain ratings. So I already have a community portal open here. I will just bring it up. So this is the basic first format of the community portal. I have not changed anything in this yet. I'm logged in as a system administrator, as forums and ideas. So there are a lot of links here that I can see more blogs, or I can see where anyone has posted any ideas, or even forums. Forums is also present in the customer self-service portal, which we discussed before this. Then there are blogs. If I just click here, it will show me all the list of the blogs that I already have in place, which came out of the box. I will not, intend to use those, but you can put up your own blogs. We'll just let it load. So this is some sample data. Just like any other blogging site, you have all the common links on the right hand side, like your tags, and then you also have blogs here. So let's just try to open up a sample blog. Okay, so this is some blog. They have written some data. You can actually view this blog. Then you can go to blog home, where it will show you again the list of the same, all the blogs that you have in place. Then same goes with ideas. Ideas is also another exciting section where it will show you that if you want to have put an idea and then you want people to vote on it, you can actually do it like this is a vote count. Up only vote means it can only count number of votes that support, and up and down means people can either positively vote it or negatively vote it. So this way you can know that what idea is growing. If you have put something forward on the portal, you will know that how people respond to your idea. So again, it also has a support section. It also has a knowledge base. So most of these portals play along the same lines, but each of them still has a different purpose to serve for you. So those were the different 4 types of portals: partner portal, community portal, customer self-service portal, and custom portal. So repeating again, custom portal is something that comes from scratch. It just gives you a login place, and it gives you a few links and sample pages, and you can start building your portal from scratch. So moving on. Yes, this is another important topic, inviting users using contacts. So along with this section also, I will be showing you how you can access your portal and what all is available inside Dynamics 365 that controls portals. So let me go to customer self-service portal again. Yes. So I'm going to just add a new user to customer self-service portal. I will log this user out. So this is your Dynamics 365. If I just go and navigate, okay. So in your navigation pane, you get a new section called as portals, and you get a lot of these options here. And community is also a part of portals, which I mentioned is a community portals where you have forums and you can start forum threads. So the purpose is I'm going to create a contact, and I'm going to invite it to that portal. So firstly, just let me quickly tell you what all these entities are. So this is the website, meaning that which portal has been set up on with this Dynamics 365. Then a page template, which is the container of all the pages. Redirects, that if you want to redirect a certain page, incoming page, to a different page than intended. So there are several features like site settings. If you want to enable certain features or disable certain features like search, you can do that in the site settings. The other important things are entity forms. This one, entity forms means you have your any custom entity or even account entity. All the CRM forms that you create can also be used on your portal, so that people can go inside a portal and fill certain data. It can be anything. You can consider any custom entity as well. Entity list means your CRM views, which you can show. So the support incident we saw, so those are your entity lists, so on and so forth. So this is an important part, contacts. So who will access this portal? So portal users are actually contacts inside your system. So these are the active contacts. So PW was the user that I was logged in. So what I will do, I'll just create a new contact. So I've just created a contact named Sam Brown, and I will just save this, not do anything great. So what I can do is, there is a button here called as create invitation. So users inside your portal are actually, one method is local authentication, means it is an invitation based model where you can send invites to your CRM contacts to use your portals. So I'll just click here on create invitation. It will take me to a new form with some predefined data. Okay, I have all of this information. I'm not going to enter. So what you can see here is the invitation code. So once you save this record here, it will create an invitation code for you. Now you can put something to use like your workflows. You can just create a workflow on the creation of invitation. Once you get this code, you can send that using your emails, and you can send an invitation to your client. So let's suppose that happened, and your client actually got a invitation from you for the portals. So I have just copied this. So they pick that link and they go to this page. Let's say that link will take them to this page. So I'm going to say, okay, I want to redeem the invitation that I got in the email. I have this invitation code here. I'll just paste it here and register. Okay, so I'm redeeming this certain code and it is asking me for email. So I'll just enter my email. Let's assume Sam Brown is using this email. Password. Okay, I'll just put some sample password. I'll confirm it again. And I will register. So that that contact already existed inside Dynamics 365. So this is your profile page. Okay, Sam Brown was able to log in. Once I just fill all of this information, this page then again won't appear for them. You can then access that page again by going into profile. So now I have access to this portal itself. I'm logged into the portal. I can access different areas, and I can go to the home page. I can go to support page. Maybe open a ticket as a new user. I wanted to register a certain case. So this all works on the invitation basis, which uses your contacts from your Dynamics 365. Then customers or the contacts which I just showed, they can maintain their own profile page and get personal access to the portal, which we just did. Like they can fill in there if they have changed their company, or if they have changed certain phone number, they can edit that in the profile page which we just saw. Then just not this, but you also have facilities for external authentication. You can write your custom code and use ASP.NET identity using the ASP.NET identity API. It includes OpenID based providers like Google and Yahoo, and OAuth providers like Twitter, Facebook, and Microsoft. So it's not like you have to use only contacts. You can even invite users, or they can even sign up and log in using these different methods. So yeah, that was portals for you. So just let's have a recap of things. We saw that portals now come with Dynamics 365 Online. There is one portal add-on available with each instance. You can start your trial right away and test it for yourself. Next, there are 4 types of portals. Custom portal, which everything is given at a very basic level, and you can start building everything from scratch. Customer self-service portal will help your customers find information from your Dynamics 365 which you have posted for them, register new cases, and get help then and there. Third is partner portal. If you have other companies working with you, you can distribute some of your data to them, pass on to them, so that they can work on your Dynamics 365 data, and both of you can grow your business together. Next is the community portal, that if you want to have people come together, share their ideas, share knowledge, have blogs, have forums and have discussions, you can use community portals. So that was the 4 main types of portals, and for each of them portal, what I can say is there's a lot of stuff to be explored in each of these portals. There are a lot of features though, which can't be covered in this session. And then finally we saw how we can have a contact, and we can send them an invitation, and once they get an invitation they can just simply create a username, password, and they can start using your portals. Other way is that they can also just directly register on your portal if you have allowed that facility for them. Next, then you also can enable other users via different authentication methods as well. So that was Dynamics 365 Portals and its introduction for you all. I hope this was very useful session. Let me check the questions section if there's anything. Okay, so there's nothing else. Great. All right, thank you all for your time. I hope this session was helpful and you all have something now to take away from this. See you soon.